2022 Dodge Charger Hellcat, purple stripes, custom lights, custom everything, custom wheels, tires, really nice. Anyways, he's a good friend of mine, so he brought it by again. We did some more stuff to it. Let me show you guys what we did. Factory converter, factory X that we might take off in a minute. We'll see. He wants it as loud as possible, so we're like, we got you. We did a mid-muffler delete earlier in the year. He brought it back. Bought the Z Automotive valve delete right there. Valve actuators. They go there and there. And then he also took the tips off. He didn't like those pink tips anymore. So we took them off and replaced them with black tips out the back on each side. There and there. We did a muffler delete earlier in the year too. Here's the part number on the black tips. We'll have them on our website soon, guys. We're opening up a store soon. So to show you guys all this stuff. So you can find it all in one place. So you don't have to worry about it no more. Because we get a lot of calls for people wanting product that we installed. So we'll have it for you. There it is. Sexy car. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. I like that sign. I'm fat. And then he's got this one too. He's still a student driver, still learning on this Hellcat. Is it different? Rattles my ears, man. I love it. Again. 122. Much better. Let's see your smile. Approve? Yeah. I'm going to put you on YouTube. Yes or no? All right, good. Go ahead. Sound decibels? Again? He's only revving it a little bit too, 118. So it's probably like 122 if he revs it higher. You want to off or no? He changed his mind on that. It's like 14 degrees out here. Even though the sun is out, but it's still freezing. I like the wheels on it. Yeah, this is raw power. That's beautiful. Very nice. See, it brings everybody out. Like everybody came out to listen to it. It's so good. I love it. My guy likes to rev it too. Gripping. His wheels are bald, dude. It's not gripping at all. That's awesome, though. Wow. That's phenomenal. Enjoy, guys. Beautiful. Look at it in the sun, how it changes. Oh, wow.
I like the little glitter.
Yeah. That's awesome. Oh, he's ready to go.